Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Clarity. My name is Sahil, and in today's video, I will be talking about Web3 tokens. So I will be continuing my series of Web3 content, which I have been posting from last few weeks. I see a lot of people like that kind of content, so I will be adding this playlist into the description so you can have a look and learn more about Web3 in general and crypto technologies as well. So specifically in this video, I will be talking about the tokens which are based on blockchain and Web3, which are really necessary for blockchain to work properly. So we will look at few of those that I'm looking at and how they will be showing growth in future and what are the use cases of them. So let's get right into it. Just before we move forward, guys, this is no financial advice. I make this content for educational and entertainment purpose only. I want to create this content for everyone who is learning about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. I come from an IT background, so I want to share my perspective on this platform, and everyone should have that ability to learn about crypto and blockchain technology and get the vibe of this industry. So if you want any financial advice, go to a financial advisor because I'm not certified to do that. So let's get right into it. Before going ahead, let's have a look at the market price right now. You can see Bitcoin is at 46,104, which is down 1.94% in the last 7 days. You can see it's been trading a bit sideways, and it's because a lot of things are going on in the general economic sector. There are a lot of policies being released, and other markets are affected by it as well. There is the China debt bubble that is happening because of the Evergrande situation. So a lot of things that is affecting the crypto market as well, because it's in the end part of the whole market as general. So you can see, yeah, this is the prices, and some coins are doing well still. Look at Avalanche, which is going great, like it's 38% up from the last week, one of the only ones. Then others, Solana also has traded up in last 7 days. And yeah, so that's general crypto.com. So for Web3 tokens, we'll go to the categories again. We'll go to Web 3.0, which is a bit further down than should be, I think so. Web 3, here we go. There you go. So these tokens, as we discussed in the previous video, Polkadot and Chainlink, obviously the top coins in this space. You can see Polkadot is ranked number 10 in the whole cryptocurrency market. It's $24.51 as of today. And if you go back to 1 year, it's traded very nicely from $5 to this price of $24.56 today. All-time high on it was $53, which is great. So it's still below its all-time high right now. But if you go to Polkadot website, you will see what they do and the way they are working to make other blockchains interoperable with different blockchains, and that's how Web3 will be made possible. So you can see they have true interoperability. Polkadot enables cross blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset, not just tokens. So anything on the blockchain can be transferred. Connecting to a Polkadot gives you the ability to interoperate with a wide variety of blockchains on Polkadot network. And it's also economic and scalable. A lot of things in Polkadot, and you can see its governance. The token holders have complete control over the protocols, all privileges which on other platforms are exclusive to miner will be given to the relay chain participant dot holders, including managing exceptional events such as protocol upgrades and fixes. So you vote on everything. If you're a Polkadot holder, you will vote that you want this to happen. If there are any updates to happen, you will be asked about it in a consensus. That is the point of decentralization. So Web3, that's the principle of Web3 that they are following, which is really great because that's how you will give more power to the people who are holding their token, and they will be the decision maker on the platform that what is going to happen in future. So you can see it's an open source project funded by Web3 Foundation. Web3 Foundation has commissioned 5 teams and over 100 developers to build Polkadot, including Polkadot JS, Surametsu, ChainSafe, Parity Technology. So yeah, a lot of projects going on in there. You can see there are different parachains for Polkadot, which is another way of saying they have different subsets of their blockchain which work together at the same time, and they also sync from other blockchains pretty easily. Next up, we're going to talk about Chainlink. So Chainlink is an oracle. It's a platform that enables smart contracts and DeFi platforms to get data feeds from different kind of data sources. The current price on it is $18.29. It's down 3.71% for the day. You can see the 1 year price. If you see the 1 day price is this, it's trading a bit down. It's still a good price to pick it up. If you go to 7 days, went down a bit further and came back up. It's still in that range, doing some recovery there. If you go to 1 year, it was $12.79 at the bottom, $12.11.418. That was the low of it, and since then it's been trading sideways. It reached 52. That was a all-time high for it, which is great. So you can see what is Chainlink. Founded in 2017, Chainlink is blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts through a decentralized oracle network. Chainlink allows blockchain to securely interact with external data feeds, events, and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by the complex smart contract to become the dominant form of digital agreement. So there's a lot to unpack there. You can see that Chainlink is type of a bridge between centralized and decentralized world of information. There is a lot of information out there floating around. So we have to understand that decentralization won't happen just by itself, and we have to take information from the centralized networks and platforms or payment methods, and smart contracts are used for that purpose only. And so Chainlink provides that kind of functionality for other blockchains as well to use this and bridge the data, different kind of data information like data feeds, events, and payment methods. So you can take that information from one platform to another, and that too securely and in decentralized fashion. So Chainlink is doing a great job there. They are partnered up with a lot of big clients and different companies. If we go to their website, you can see that they have different AMMs, automatic market makers, ARWEAVE, Synthetics, Compound, Paxos, Celsius is a exchange, Nexus Mutual, ENS. So they are providing a lot of functionality to different blockchains, and they are already in this game of Web3, and really important aspect of it because they are doing the data exchange in there. So their value also goes up after that. You can see there is some code here which can be used by anyone. If you want to run that, involve that in your market, you can use that different kind of data and just put it on your website or anywhere, just get it for free. So you will need that kind of functionality for easier and decentralized web. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Chainlink. You can see the recommendation from different clients of theirs. So they have other blockchains as clients, so which is really um, good to know that they have partnerships with different companies as well. If you see, there should be the ecosystem, it should be in their ecosystem, and you can see a lot of data platforms require their APIs, and big names like CoinGecko, Binance, Huobi, all of them are using Chainlink for data transfer. Last but not the least, I will talk about ARWEAVE, which is a file sharing and data storage type of cryptocurrency token, which is also Web3 based. The price of it is 48.45, which is 3% higher from last day. It's really getting higher these days. You can see the last 7 days it was 46, came back, and the whole 1 year price, it has seen a lot of growth. You can see it's great growth here. It's one of the best performing here. It was 2.4 last year, and this is a great price for any coin to achieve in that year's price. You can see the market dominance, market rank is 74, and 24-hour low is 44.58. So what is ARWEAVE? It's a decentralized storage network that seeks to offer a platform for the indefinite storage of data. So Web3, as we've been talking about, it will have a lot of data to handle. So we will need different storage platform like cloud storage and hardware storage. But right now, in this current form of web, it is really hard to manage this kind of data because we are getting so much information every day that we can't have enough storage space to store it. So Arweave and other decentralized storage networks are trying to solve that problem, because that way we can share the resources that we have already and run a node on different computers, and then we can run different programs on there, different blockchains and everything else on the web as well. So we can be a sharing community with every resources around the world. We don't have to create more and more. That way we are also more sustainable for the environment, because if we keep on building more data centers and everything, it will be a lot of issues with the environmental problems, and that way they are trying to solve that kind of issue. So you can see that describing itself as a collectively owned hard drive that never forgets, the network primarily hosts the perma-web, a permanent decentralized web with a number of community-driven applications and platforms. So if we go onto their website, you can see here, so store data permanently enables you to store, document, and application forever. Just accept this. ARWEAVE makes information permanence sustainable. ARWEAVE is a new type of storage that backs data with sustainable perpetual endowment, allowing users and developers to truly store data forever. So with the current web, there is a problem of data storage, because the centralized version of web and the companies, they are in control of the data, and sometimes our information can be put down, and we don't want that to happen all the time, because if you manage everything and also try to control everything, there is not enough room for growth for people and not enough room for other perspectives. So that's my philosophy of it. That's why I like Web3, and this is why they make it permanent, that if you put some data on blockchain, that will be staying there forever. If you're using Arweave and other information sources like that, then you don't need to worry about that your data will be put down, or there will be a claim for anything. So if it's yours, it's yours, and it is there forever. So that's what they're trying to do, perma web. On top of ARWEAVE network is the PermaWeb, a global community-owned web that anyone can contribute to or get paid to maintain. PermaWeb looks just like the normal web, but all of its content, from images to full apps, is permanent, retrieved quickly, and decentralized forever. Just as the first web connected people over vast distances, the PermaWeb connects people over extremely long period of times. No more 404s, no more stealth edits, no more web apps that decline in quality. So yeah, that's their goal. Really good. Coinbase is their partners. Andreessen Horowitz, big names. Internet Watch Foundation, IWF. So yeah, that kind of token, ARWEAVE is, which is really great. So I will talk more about this kind of tokens. One of them is BitTorrent and StoreJ. I will make separate videos for them if you are interested. Let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of content, and just like and subscribe, because I try to create these videos for people who are looking to learn more every day and understand, rather than just get into any meme coin or shit coin which is just on there for the purpose of making money. I also want to make money from this, but I don't want to make information which is wrong to people. I don't want to do that. I don't want anyone to make decisions which are bad for them financially or unhealthy for them. So if you like my content, please like and subscribe, share it with your friends and family. If they are new into the space, I make content which is very easy to understand and want to give most value to people in my community. So thanks for that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.